In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Wistia video in Systemi.io. First, we'll start in Wistia. Open your video's media page, which is the main screen for that specific video. Look for the Embed option, usually near the video controls or settings. Click Embed, and you'll see a few choices for how the video should display. If you want the video to live right on the page, choose an inline or standard embed. For most landing pages and sales pages, responsive sizing is a great choice because it automatically adjusts to different screen sizes, keeping your video looking sharp on phones, tablets, and desktops. Within these options, you can usually set preferences like the player size, whether controls are shown, and other lightweight display tweaks. When you're happy with the preview, copy the full embed code. This will include both the HTML and the script that powers the player, so make sure you grab everything provided by Wistia. Now switch over to Systemi.io. Open the page editor for the exact page where you want the video to appear. This might be a landing page, a thank you page, or any custom page you're building. Once the editor is open, locate the raw HTML element in the Elements panel. Drag and drop that raw HTML block onto your page exactly where you want the video to sit, such as beneath a headline or next to your call to action. Click into that block to edit it and paste the Wistia embed code you copied earlier. You don't need to modify the code, just make sure the full HTML plus the script is there. After pasting, save your changes. If your page supports a preview, you may see the video load inside the editor right away. If not, publish the page and open it in a new tab to verify the video is displaying correctly. Responsive embeds should adapt to the width of your page sections automatically. If the video looks too narrow or too wide, check the container width settings in your page layout and keep the video inside a full width or appropriately sized column. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Always copy the complete embed snippet from Wistia to ensure the player script runs correctly, and use responsive sizing for the smoothest mobile experience. If the video doesn't appear after publishing, double-check that you use the raw HTML element, not a text element, and that the code wasn't altered. That's it. Save, publish, and your Wistia video will now play beautifully inside your Systemi.io page.